Hello guys, welcome to J Sigano one-on-one. Meet J Sigano on his maize plantation. In fact, today guys, I had told you that there is a place I had did what we call spraying before planting. That was in digital way. In fact, you can have a look. I didn't did what? I didn't plow, but what I did, I just did trenching on a very dirty place. But as you can see today, you may have a very smart maize that I planted on a very dirty place, but I did what? I did trenching before in a very dirty place. Thereafter, I sprayed. After planting, I sprayed immediately. So in fact, the place is so smart. You may have a look. Look, this is a maize. This is a place that I never plowed. I never did anything. I only sprayed chemical, then I planted. After planting, then I sprayed. But look at the maize. They are very smart. In fact, they are very smart. This is one of my shamba. So I told you that I want to see the difference between plowing and spraying. Which part will give me more maize? And there is another place here, guys. These are maize that I had shown you that I did what? I plowed. So these are some of the maize. These are the maize. They are really grown. You can have a look. But today I want to show you something that this digital life has totally changed us and has given us an easier job or an easier work. What do you see? I have here a bottle. This bottle is, you can have a look, it is a hurricane. Hurricane is one of a medicine that we believe it kills what we call weeds. You can have a look. These are weeds that are totally grown. But when I'm going to spray, after 3 days, my friend, you will see no weed, an exception of only maize. In fact, that is what I have. So you will have a look. So this is a hurricane. It's a hurricane. So this hurricane is you can have a look. It's an unselective herbicide for control of weeds and grass in maize, barleycorn and sugarcane, kiunga gugu cha kuangamiza kwekwe. You have heard. In fact, you have heard. You read it and you sing. So this bottle of mine, all this chemical or this medicine of mine, in 20 liters, what do we mix? In 20 liters, we put, there is a measure that you are going to see. In 20 liters of pump, we are going to put this small. This is a small measure. So this one we are going to measure here. It is a 50 ml. So in 50 ml, you are going to put in that's 100 ml in 20 liters. So thereafter, my friend, we are going to spray. In fact, I'll show you how we are spraying. Then all the weeds will get up dry. So these weeds, at times we were plowing them. But these ones we are going to weed. We are not going to interfere with the with the roots of the maize. Sometimes when we use it to plow, we interfere with the seeds, with that plantation. But for today, we are going to do what? We are going to spray chemical here so that it can kill. You can see, they are so grown up. You can see some of them, they have started flowering. So you can have a look. They have ploughing. It's a smart maize, so they are very smart. I intend to think so that by the end of June, yes, June, I think I'll I'll be doing all, I'll be harvesting. Because in fact I have really, but I also thank you all guys. I love you all guys. Please, I love you all for your support, for your everything that you have done unto my life. In fact, it is you that you have done all this I'm doing here. So I like your support. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Please subscribe to my channels, comment, do anything that you want to do, please, that we can get to this route of 5,000 subscribers. It's so good guys, it's so good. Glad you guys subscribe. I love you all guys. You know, it is a kind of an assistance. Today you may assist me in advice. Please comment, advise me on what to do so that I can entail to this farming, digital farming. I'm JC Gano, remember. I'm JC Gano, a farmer, a hustler, a electrician, all those. Why I do all this is only because tomorrow I may make my life better. Struggle today, but tomorrow don't struggle. But as you struggle, struggle smart. Don't struggle as if you are doing zero, but struggle smart to make your life better tomorrow. That's what I urge my youths, all my colleagues. So you can see, you may have a look at my back. Those are my maize that I want to spray. You know, it's almost time, but I was going to spray. So this is the pump. This is let me have, that is the pump I'm going to use. And this is the chemical. This is the chemical, but I'm going to put here. So I'm opening it. So after opening it, I had put some water. That is water in it. After that water, I'll open the chemical. Yes, I'll open the chemical. Yes, I have opened it. Here it is. After it, I'll take my measurement. It is here. This is a 50 ml. I'll just pour here. I'll pour here my 50 ml. That is it. There what? That is it. I'll pour it in here. So I'll pour it. That is it. I'll again do what? I'll again measure another 50 ml. That's, I mean, in per 20 liters, we have to measure 100 ml. I'll again measure another 50 ml. That way, and I'll do this way. Yes. Thereafter, I'll do what? I'll do this. I'll put it there. Yes, that is what I was telling you guys. So after then, I'll do that way. Hope you are seeing the process. Then I'll do it this way. So I close my pump. That is my pump. After crossing it, I'll do what? Ay. So guys, the pump is on my neck. You can have a look. You can have a look. The pump is on my neck. You can have a look. I now want to spray. So I'll show you how we are spraying it. Show you how we are spraying it. I'll show you guys. Keep at watch. Keep at watch. So I'm spraying it. So I'm really spraying it. You're seeing now. That is the job. Yes, that is the job. The job you are seeing. Yes, that is the job. So I'm killing the weeds. You can have a look. I'm killing the weeds. So guys, please, what I urge you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Wow. It's a wonderful day. Please pray for me. Subscribe to my channel. Comment. Share. Thank you guys.